classification based on linearity. What does classification based on linearity really entail? Now, for a differential equation, to be linear, then it will satisfy two properties. And what the first property is that the dependent variable and its derivative must be first degree. Must be in first degree only. So not be in second degree, third degree, fourth degree, degree 2 or what, like degree 1. It must be degree 1. That's the first condition. The second condition again that for it to be linear, it does not involve the product of the dependent variable and its derivative. It does not involve the product of dependent variable and its derivative. Otherwise, it is non-linear. Otherwise, it is non-linear. So it does not involve the product of the dependent variable and its derivative. Now, e.g., if you have the cube u, the s cube, all raised to power 2 plus the square u all over the y square plus 2u is equal to 0. And they ask you that, is this linear? We know it's a PDE. Good. Now, is this linear? No, it is not in linear form. Why? Because it must be of first degree. Your derivative must be of first degree. This is order degree 2. This is order 3 degree 2. So it is non-linear. If it is the u dx plus 2u, and the square u dx square plus 2u du dx is equal to cos u. Now, this is also non-linear. Why? Although the derivative is of degree what? Is of first degree. But because your dependent variable is being multiplied with your what? Your derivative, then it is what? It is non-linear. So this must not multiply with this. Your u must not be attached. It does not involve the product. It must not be attached with your derivative. Then it is non-linear. It is non-linear. Do you understand? So for it to be linear, it must be of first degree. Let me give you an example of a linear differential equation. Now, if it is of the cube u, the s squared, the s cube plus 2 du dx plus u is equal to 0. This is a linear form. 1 is of degree 1. It is of degree 1. No matter the order, it is so far it is of first degree, it is linear. Do you understand? It is linear. This. And your u is not attached to your derivative, then it is what? It is linear. So now we can now do what? We can now identify based on the types types of differential equation, and which one is OD, which one is PDE. Now, we can now also identify based on what? Based on their order, based on their degree, and based on their linearity. So these are the little things I want you to put into consideration when you are solving classifications or you are being asked questions based on classifications in differential equation. In the exam, you might see something like a table, whereby you construct a table and put in series of differential equations, and you write types as the subheading, you write order, degree, and linearity. Then they will not ask you to tell them which one is, what order is this, what degree is this, and is it linear or non-linear. So these are the characteristics that you need to take note of when you are solving your DE